This is going to be a video tutorial on how to stop redirects in the Microsoft Edge web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Microsoft Edge web browser opened up now. To stop redirects, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy, Search, and Services. Then on the center pane, you want to click on Site Permissions. Then the next thing you want to click on is All Permissions. And then right down here, Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on Pop-ups and Redirects. And right up top here, Default Behavior. As you can see, I am currently blocking pop-ups and redirects. I have mine toggled on. If I toggle that off, I'm allowing pop-ups and redirects. Down below that, it has some customized behavior. You could add websites. You could also delete any websites that are in here. But right up top here is the main feature, either blocked or allowed. Now, if you have pop-ups and redirects blocked and you're still getting them, that could be caused by browser extensions. It could be caused by malware. You would have to Google search the direct issue. But that is how to stop redirects in the Microsoft Edge web browser. Thanks for watching.